so today we're here with Arturo. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. I appreciate you coming out and showing us your OBS.
Thank you for having me.
Man, I've seen your truck on Instagram and loved it.
Thank you.
Seen you around a couple times.
Yeah, a couple times.
So kind of what got you started in trucks?
I want to say ever since I was a kid, I just seen them a lot in town. I guess you can say I saw a lot of classic old school, kind of like this trucks lower to the ground, and I just loved it ever since, man.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. And where did you find this truck at, or how did you go about purchasing it?
Well, you see this truck, I think I was looking for like a year, I believe, looking on Facebook Marketplace and places like that.
Right.
And then I kind of gave up looking for one because it was just so long, kind of lost motivation.
Right.
And then just a random, I think it was like a Thursday, scrolling through Facebook, you know, and I found this.
Oh, cool.
And it was in Thomasville.
That's where I'm from.
Yeah. That's crazy.
You didn't know that, did you?
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
But yeah, I found it there. I found it a Thursday, and then on Friday, I bought it. I just
cool.
had to go get it, man.
Yeah.
The owner of this truck, I think he was the second owner, I believe. And he wasn't planning on selling the truck, but he was buying a house, and he had another kid on the way, so he kind of had to get rid of it.
Let something go.
I bought it, yeah.
Yeah. And the truck, when you bought it, what kind of shape was it in? Just like it is now, pretty much?
No, it was bone stock, pretty much. It was all original. It had like a toolbox in the bed, the little side steps for you to climb on the truck. It was, It was all stock, yeah.
But I mean, as far as the paint, interior, and everything was kind of...
It's all original except, you know, the suspension, wheels, brakes, stuff like that.
Right.
Yeah.
And the mileage on the truck?
Currently it has 119,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fairly low mile
truck. I bought
truck.
it with 110.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And speaking of the suspension, what kind of suspension are you running?
It's a traditional Beltec 5.7 drop, but I did use React spindles in the front, so it doesn't change the track width.
Yeah.
And the C-notch is also a React suspension. It gives you a little bit more clearance.
Right.
And it's still a underbed C-notch.
Yeah.
So it's pretty nice.
And you running Beltec shocks?
Yes, Beltec shocks, front and rear.
The Street Performers, the silver ones?
Yep, silver ones.
And the wheel and tire setup. I love these wheels.
Thank you. They're Weld Venturas. They're 20x8 in the front with the 245 3520 tire, and then the rear is 20x10.5, 295 35 20, I believe.
Yeah, looks killer on there, man.
Thank you.
Love it.
Yeah.
And the newest upgrade, brakes.
Yeah, I think you can
Can't miss those.
Yeah. This is the Little Shop.
Little Shop manufacturer.
Little Shop. They're really good at what they do.
Yeah.
So highly recommend them. This is their Stage 4 16-inch big brake kit.
Yeah.
So I have 16-inch brakes all
the way around.
All the way around.
And it stops on the down.
Oh yeah. If I'm not careful, I'm gonna fly out through the windshield. So
make sure you got your seatbelt on.
Yeah. Yes. But it's good, man. It brakes good. Yeah.
And engine transmission, is it?
It's stock drivetrain. It's still the stock engine. It's the 5.0 V8, I believe.
Yeah. 305.
305.
That's what my truck's got. Well, mine's not a Vortec. It's a TBI.
TBI.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
it's nice.
But you know, a lot of people hate on the 305s.
Yeah.
That truck right there, man, I can get in it and just cruise and don't have to worry about it. And I've always been. My parents had an '87 Monte Carlo with a 305 in it, SS. And they bought it brand new, and I drove it some in high school, and man, never had any problems. Like, could not kill that engine.
They're good,
yeah.
Is
there anything else that you?
It was on Weld Wheels, so if you go to Weld Wheels / galleries, you can find the truck there.
Oh yeah, I seen that.
I had a photo shoot. Yeah,
that was cool.
Yeah, that was pretty nice.
Yeah,
it was. I guess I wasn't really expecting it to be there, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah,
that's
cool.
There.
It's pretty cool.
You got any future plans for it?
I would like to engine swap it one day, put big power on it, but you know.
Do a LS swap or?
I really like the LT4s with the
yeah.
supercharger, but that's, you know, that's pricey.
Yeah.
You know? I'm not rich, you know, just a regular dude, regular job. So
yeah.
Hopefully one day.
Yeah.
That's the goal. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, my brother-in-law, he LS swapped the square body, and it's got a
yeah.
4.8 in it, and put a cam in it, and that's all he did to it. And man, that thing,
It's fun, huh?
yeah, it runs so good. Like, it's got plenty of power,
Mm-hmm.
and it's just a little 4.8, nothing special. It's not been rebuilt or anything. Just put a cam in it, 4L60, and
That's it, huh?
and rolls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
So I've been real pleased with that. So,
Yeah.
you know, if you did even a 5.3 or a 6.0
Mhm.
LS swap or something like that, that would be,
That would be nice too.
yeah.
I might end up doing that, like a 5.3 with like a small turbo or something.
Oh, yeah.
You know, something
Well,
rowdy.
that'd be plenty
Just
of
fun.
power.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
so. I think so. Yeah.
Well, is there anything else you want to add to?
Not really. I want to thank Jason Mode from New Creations. He helped me out a lot with the truck. You know.
Yeah,
get it right,
he
you know.
did the brakes. Did he do
Yeah.
the suspension work too?
No, it was a different shop.
Oh,
But
okay.
yeah, he helped me out a lot with that.
Yeah,
So,
man.
pretty nice guy.
In this area, that's a big name because he does
Yeah.
killer
Yeah.
work. A lot of the
He's great, man. He's one of the best. You know?
he is. He's
You know?
he's good. Him and his whole team.
Oh yeah.
You never see anything wrong really come out of that shop. And everybody that I've talked to that's had stuff done at New Creations,
Yeah.
they highly recommend him.
Yeah.
So, and it's good to have a shop like that that's fairly local.
Yeah, it's for me. It was a drive because I live in Monroe. So,
Yeah.
But I mean, it's nothing bad. You know, nothing
Yeah.
terrible.
Yeah.
You know, if it was farther away, I would still go just because it's
Just
it's them.
the quality of work
Oh
that
yeah,
they do.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I appreciate you coming. We're gonna go get some rollers, and
Okay. Cool.
unless there's anything else you want to add.
Not really. I mean, I don't know. That's pretty much it.
Okay.
Well,
I appreciate you coming, meeting, talking with us, and
yeah. Thank you for having me.
yes, sir. We'll be seeing you around some shows, I'm sure,
Oh yeah, for sure.
later next year.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.